Hello. Nomad Sculpt and Procreate. Teamwork, part 4. Sometimes there are problems when you look at this in the UV map, or there's white gaps or gaps you can paint. That's a problem. I go back. This is example, a 3D object file. It looks like this. And in Nomad Sculpt, this is the original object, and I turn on the wireframe. It's a real clear wireframe, but when I go to the UV map and unwrap it, this happens. And Procreate have problems with this. Okay, what can we do? First, there is a second UV unmapping function. Here is the debug settings in the interface. Here you can switch to debug and add BFF UVs, add an alternative unwrapping method. You can turn it on, and then it appears in the other menu. Okay, unwrap BFF. And a higher value will reduce distortion for complex objects. You can test this count, and now try to unwrap it with this method. And here you see there are some parts overlapping. There's an exclamation mark, I think, here on the left side. Can have overlaps if mesh has handles. Okay, this is not good. Then you can test another thing. You can voxel your object, but then it's yes, it can be pixelated. You can go to the voxel settings and keep sharp edges and remesh it. And now let's try again unwrapping. There's another UV map. Okay, and you can use now the decimation and try it with decimation and test the unwraps. Now this is very crazy, not good. This is also not good. I go back. I figured out one good method is to split the object in separate parts. And I use the cell mask, symmetry off, and I mask this part and extract it with a shell of 0. Extract it, and then I use the symmetry and mirror it from the right to the left. Yes. Now we got these two parts. Go back to the main frame, clear the mask, select the upper part and extract this one, and use the symmetry, not this one, and mirror it again. Clear. Now in the top, in the scene menu, you got these parts. Select them, simple merge them, and in the topology you can use now the BFF unwrapping function, and it looks very clean, but it's not not perfect. There's an overlapping here. Let's go back, test it again with the other. Now this is also not good, and this looks better. It's a test thing, and now let's test it in Procreate. Export OBJ Procreate. In the gallery there's now the new object, and I test it with black. Oh, there are two frames. Okay, I think there are two frames exported, but it looks clear. I think it's a good UV map for this object. Okay, I hope it helps to get a clear map. Let's have fun with sculpting and Procreate also. Ciao.